afternoon, guys. This is Phon-Er Gold. This is block 65. I'm dropping by to tell you guys that it's a beautiful day. It's July 4th. In 2 days, it's the July 4th weekend, and I'm on my way to order that just came in from a previous customer. It's an iPhone 6 Plus Black, and we're going to Beverly Hills to fix that and take care of him for his trip out of town for the July 4th weekend. And yeah, so we're gonna go do that, and we'll take you with us so you can see how it goes down and see what up. So thank you for watching, and we'll be right back in a sec with the full repair on its way to you. Peace, in a sec, cut to you. Bye. Hey guys, we are just finally here. Beverly Hills for the iPhone 6 Plus repair. Should have gone out left. Here's the cool neighborhood. It's pretty nice to chill. It's very close to Melrose and a few blocks from Fairfax. Right there.
The destination is on your left. 807 North Laurel Avenue.
807. This is 757. Should be next block down. Should be on the left, right here. So we can park here.
Arrived.
Just got it, guys. Just park. We are good. So happy that it's 80 degrees. Oh my, it's super hot. Okay. Get out of here, guys. It's close parking. That's the house. It's a beautiful house, isn't it? It's amazing. It's nice. Nice. Okay. Guys, let me just get my stuff. I think I already packed my stuff. Yeah, I did. We're ready to go. This. Lock the door. Ready to go. I'm just text him to make sure that he knows that I'm here. Okay guys, we'll see you inside and we'll see the repair. So stay tuned. Is it this one? 807? Yeah, this is actually 807. It's this one. It's beautiful. Oh, the GoPro just records how the repair goes so that I can put it on my channel on YouTube and then people can see it.
Oh.
Say, hey, that looks cool. It's kind of like a online resume.
I watch YouTube things.
You want to watch?
It's like what I do all day.
Watch. Okay.
Oh, you have to take that off.
Good. Thank you. And that's the cut. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold. And that's the cut. Block 65 and that's a wrap. Hey guys, we just finished the phone at this cool, awesome house. It was a very nice house. I really like good houses and interiors. So just nice to be in a cool, nice, modern house, you know. And you kind of like find yourself out in the future for you to own yourself, or etc. stuff. It's cool. yeah, so now we just finished that, and we're now driving to Holly, back to our area, Las Flores Village. Where if anything else comes up, we'll let you know. But if not, then this will be a wrap for Phon-Er Gold. Thank you for watching, and if we see you soon, we see you soon. If not, a beautiful July 4th weekend, and be safe, be sound, have fun. Bottoms up, and be responsible and safe. Thank you for watching. This is Phon-Er Gold, and this is Vlog 65. A wrap for now, and see you guys soon in the next vlog or next hour. Peace. Cut. It's a wrap. True fast.